create contact in Keap from Webhook response automatically. So Keap is a CRM and a marketing automation platform, and assume that you are getting the user details from an application and you want to add those user details as a contact in your Keap CRM software. Now you can easily do that if your applications support webhooks. Okay, so what we will do, we will copy the webhook URL and paste into that application, and whenever the users are created in that application, firstly the user details will be captured as a webhook response, and once we have the user details here as a webhook response, we can send that user data to any other application and automate lot of process like creating a contact, or it could be anything. Okay, so if you also want to learn how with the help of webhook URL you can connect a different application with your favorite CRM software, then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the dashboard of Keap CRM, and I'm going to create contact in Keap CRM from JotForm Form Builder application, because this application actually support webhooks, and for webhooks I will use Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. So you just need to log in Pabbly Connect and get a webhook URL which you will have to paste in JotForm application. So this is how you can build the connection and automate the process. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So I am an existing user, so I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Okay, so once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, simply click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as create contact in Keap from webhook response. Okay, so simply click on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. Okay, so these boxes are actually called as trigger and action. Okay, and here the trigger means when this happen and action means do this. So whenever something happen in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. Okay, so generally you always have to select the applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, but in this particular case, instead of selecting an application, I will select this webhook, because my topic is create contact in Keap from webhook response. Okay, but before I select a webhook and connect JotForm with the help of webhook URL, let me tell you, JotForm already have an active integration with the Pabbly Connect. Yes, JotForm is already the part of Pabbly Connect's integration library, but I'm taking the example of JotForm just because JotForm actually supports webhook, so that I can actually show you how with the help of webhook you can actually connect a different application with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so again I am telling you, I am just taking the example of JotForm just to show you how webhook URL can be used, but you can also connect to JotForm directly. Okay, so let us first connect a webhook. Okay, let us first select a webhook, and as soon as you will select this, you will get a webhook URL. You will have to simply copy this webhook URL and paste it in that application whose data you would like to capture in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so in this particular case I would like to fetch the form responses. So here you can notice I have created several forms, and I would like to capture the job application form data in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so that is why I am going to edit this particular form only, and I am going to paste the webhook URL in this particular form only. Okay, so simply click on the setting button, but before that let me show you, this is my form. Okay, again clicking on this setting button, and here you will find an option of integration. Okay, search for the webhook, and here you will notice that one webhook is already added because it is showing with the help of the tick mark. Okay, so firstly I will remove this existing integration so that I can show you everything from the scratch, and now I will search for webhook once again, and this time you can notice there is no webhook URL added already. Okay, so let me copy this webhook URL and paste it in that application whose data I would like to capture. Alright, by clicking on this button, the connection in JotForm and Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL is done. Okay, so read the instruction that it is actually waiting for the webhook response. So log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means creation of a new form response in this form. Okay, so firstly I'll click on this publish button and will open this form in a new tab, and in front of you I will submit this form with some dummy details, and you will notice that the same form submission data will be received as a webhook response in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'm adding the random details like demo user demo@pabblytudes.com, adding a random phone number. Okay, so I have added a 10-digit phone number, also asking for experience or fresher. Okay, so I'm selecting this fresher, asking for the age. I have added the same, clicking on submit, and as soon as the form submission is done, you will notice that the response is received here, and here you can notice the response is already arrived. Okay, so let me show you the details one by one. So this is the same webhook URL, this is the same form title, and here you will notice the same form submission data, that is the same dummy first name, the dummy last name, the dummy email address, the dummy phone number. Okay, so here we have all the data. Okay, and the presence of this data clearly shows that with the help of webhook URL we were successfully able to connect the JotForm with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so in this way, with the help of webhook URL, you can connect any other application with the Pabbly Connect and capture the response of that application in Pabbly Connect. But again, the condition here is your applications should support webhook. Okay, so first step of our automation is done, and now onwards what will happen? Every time any new form submission is done here, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, now moving further, I was about to create contact in Keap CRM. Okay, so that is why I'm going to search for the same application. As I have told you initially, in this trigger and action window you will always have to select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, in the action event, since I want to create a contact, so I'll go with the same, and just like I have connected Pabbly Connect and JotForm, now I'll connect this Infusionsoft by Keap with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so simply click on this connect with Infusionsoft by Keap, and then you will have to provide the access of your Infusionsoft account. Okay, but because I'm already logged in this software, so instead of asking me for the access, it is asking me for the permission. Here you can notice the authorization is successful and my Infusionsoft software is connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, if you are not logged in, you will have to provide the access. Okay, and now here you can notice it is asking me several details which are actually required for creating a contact in any CRM. Okay, so I am going to provide the details only into the required field, only into the mandatory fields. Okay, because I have collected the basic information only from my JotForm response data. Okay, so I only have the first name, last name, email, phone number. Okay, so I will use the same data. Okay, so here you can notice firstly it is asking for the email address, and I'm not going to manually copy above data and paste it here, because if I will add any data manually here, that data will remain same for every new form submission. Okay, so what will happen? Every time a form submission is received, a contact will be created in Infusionsoft, but the email address will remain same. Okay, and if your email address will remain same, the contact actually will not be created, because duplicate contacts are not allowed. Okay, so I want that this automation should execute automatically in runtime. Okay, so instead of providing any value manually, I will map the data, the above data. Okay, and mapping is very simple. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Okay, you can notice I have searched for the emails directly with the help of @, adding the same, and this is how, in the same way, I'm going to map rest of the details like the first name. Okay, let me search for the same. Now you must be thinking why I am mapping these details, because whatever the details I will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time in next time. Okay, where is the phone number field? Because I remember I have also collected the phone number from my form response. Okay, so this is the phone number field. Let me also map the phone number, and again all these details will be replaced automatically. Okay, so I think I have provided all the details, and here you can notice one custom field is also there, that is age, and luckily I have collected this information also from my jot form. Remember, in my form I have also added this age field. Okay, so I can map the same data here, that is my age, basically the form submitter age. Okay, so I think I have provided all the details. Now I am going to finally click on this button, and I'm really expecting that as soon as the response is received, the data will be added as a contact in Keap CRM. So here you can notice the response is received, which is saying it is a positive response. Going back, let me refresh my Keap CRM dashboard and wait for that contact to be created here, that too automatically. And here you can see the magic that the same person has been created as a contact in our Keap CRM, and I have not done anything manually. I have not done anything in Keap CRM. Whatever I have done is actually in this Pabbly Connect dashboard, Pabbly Connect software. Okay, so this is how with the help of Webhook URL you can connect any application and send the data of that application to your favorite application, to your favorite CRM, or to Keap CRM. Okay, let me again show you other details. Okay, so here we have the first name, the last name, the email address, and where is the age. Okay, I'm looking for that information also. Okay, so simply click on this info option and you will be able to find the rest of the details. Okay, so coming back to Pabbly Connect dashboard, and this is how with the help of Webhook URL or with the help of Pabbly Connect you can connect different applications and automate lot of process. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this two-step automation inside your own Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on that link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. And once you will access this data, all you need to do is to provide the access of your application, and this is how your automation will be ready. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.